I'm here at Cruise Night in Downers Grove, Illinois with my 1958 Pontiac Parisienne convertible.
This is a video category on engines. Brian, tell us a little bit more about the engine. We can take a look.
It's a mild small block.
Hello, my name is Natalie and welcome to USClassicMuscleCars. I'm here with Tom today in front of his beautiful car. Tom, can you tell us?
Oh, this is a 1963 Plymouth Sport Fury. It's a two-door hardtop, and that's a complete restoration. This car was...
Hello, my name is Natalie and welcome to USClassicMuscleCars. I'm here with Judy today in front of her beautiful car. Can you tell us a little bit about the car?
Well, she's named Bella.
Hi, my name is George. This is a 1960 Bonneville convertible.
Hello, my name is Frank. I got a 64 Chevy Impala SS.
Good evening, I'm Jim. This is my 56 Thunderbird. It's peacock blue.
And we also have the chrome wheels and the very nice paint job as well over here.
Hi, my name is Natalie and here's a quick presentation.
Hi, my name is Len. I live in Palatine. This is my 57 T-Bird. I've had it 27 or 8 years already. Can't keep track of it. I'm the third owner of this car. It was originally from California. Then it was in Downers Grove, and I bought it from the guy in Downers Grove. So it's really been a nice car and really enjoy it. We travel everywhere with it. It's I don't believe a show car. It's a nice car, but we enjoy it too much. And that's what it's all about. We met beautiful people in the club over here. We got maybe 25 people out here today. But it's really nice. We enjoy everything.
Yeah. And then the top is convertible?
Yes, yes. They laugh. I never take it. I can't mess my hair up.
You don't want to wear a hat.
No. You're right. But yeah, this is, it's been repainted once. It used to have a black top, but I didn't like it. We painted it white. It really sets the car off, I believe. Yeah. Car's got all the goodies: power steering, power brakes, power seats, power window. Yeah, it's got 105,000 miles. I bought it at 72,000 miles. I had it in storage one time for 7 years. And my wife says, either you get it out of storage or sell it. So that's what got me interested in the club and everything. Yeah, really nice people. Nice. I drove over. 2 years ago, we're in Memphis with the cars, and we've been in Indiana, we've been in Missouri, we've been in Ohio. That's what we enjoy it for. Right. There's no sense in saving it. Like I say, if I die, the next guy's going to drive it. So I want to enjoy it.
And then the, how do you like the year? Do you like the year compared to?
57 is I say the best, because it's got a 12-volt system. It's got no Continental. It's got a bigger trunk so you can put stuff in there. So I tell you, you can put bodies in there. Yeah. So, no, I love it. We enjoy the car. Okay. All right, thank you much. I appreciate it.